Um, I think that a lot of people, rightfully so, hear about that and think off the jump, well, did you cause flooding? Can you cause flooding? Did Rainmaker cause flooding in Texas? Originally, somebody asked, can you disclose where you were operating in Texas, what you were doing in Texas, and if you had any impact on the tropical storm Barry that blew through? And again, that storm, just to go through the timeline of events, right? The National Weather Service on the 3rd, at about 1 in the morning, posted a severe flood risk, right? Then the subsequent day, at about 4 in the morning, they announced that there was a high probability of like life-threatening flooding. That was from the convergence of two different extremely moist systems, one coming up from the Gulf, one coming up from the Pacific. Um, and Rainmaker did not operate on the 3rd. On the 4th, we operated for about 20 minutes, days in advance, and seeded a cloud that dissipated after 2 hours, and then suspended all operations indefinitely because there was risk of flooding. And so after our 20-minute operation, which was flown at about 2,500 feet, where we only dispersed about 60 grams of silver iodide aerosol,